Today we're going to build this scrap wood cookbook stand. Boy, it's tough to beat that look. Let's head out to the shop. Isn't that cool? Let's build it. How do I get to these pieces here?
I lost sound, so here's 7 seconds to give you context.
See how these are cupped? I rip these down into usable sizes, and I'll just run them through the table saw, my joiner. I try to use as much of this as I can. I make boxes out of these. I rip this down, which you got to be really careful doing that. You don't want to have a kickback. You're going to end up with some tapers on these, and so you got to knock that back down. I cut them off so that the glue will adhere. I got to get enough of a surface contact here to where it don't fall apart. I mean, it's not like anybody's putting hundreds of pounds on this, but you still want it to hold up. That's the look we're going to go with. This is going to go on the back side, which I'll show you here.
This is about 10 seconds long here. Just gluing it up.
So we're back from sanding. This here's the look I'm going for. I'm putting this spalted edge on the front. I think that'll look better on the top side. Right now, we're going to do a glue up. I put packing tape on these. I'm sure if you watch very many videos on this, you've seen that before. That's nothing new, but just in case it is new to you. Just snugging them up. I've removed most of the glue. You can see I still have it down in. I took a marking knife. My marking knife's not terribly sharp. I'm not pushing too hard with this. I mean, it's rustic, so. Now we got to put this back on. So I got to find the center. Looks we are exactly 15.5, so I'm gonna have to come over 7 3/4. We got this flush. Perfect. That's where it's gonna go. Right there. Let's check the clearance on the bottom. Good enough. I'm gonna let that get sticky for a few minutes and I'm gonna put a clamp on it. Let's see, I think I do have a dowel. I have 2. 1/4 inch. Minwax polyacrylic. I'm going to put 2, maybe 3 coats of this on. Here's a quick tip to speed up the drying time of polyurethane. Hit it with a blow dryer.
Thank you. Come on back.